Hey guys, today we've got a Mazda 3 2016 model with the electric park brake, as you can see there, and we are going to be doing the rear brake pad change, and we're going to be entering the maintenance and park brake mode, service mode. So here we've got plugged in the G-scan, and it is going to tell us exactly how to put the car in maintenance mode. So now it's simply telling you switch the ignition on by pressing the start button twice, which we already have the ignition on, as you can see all the lights on the dash. Okay, now also make sure to block the front wheels, as we've got wheel blockers already, just in case the car doesn't roll. Now step 2 is release the electric park brake. You put your foot on the brake pedal, as you can see there. And now the electric park brake's released, so once I let go, the park brake's no longer on. Now, after step 2, you move over to the accelerator pedal, you press it down fully and press down on the EPB switch at the same time, and then you press the start button quickly 3 times. So now we hold the park brake down, hold the accelerator pedal down, and press these 3 quickly. So accelerator pedal down, park brake down, 1, 2, 3, and now you can hear the So now, after that, you'll hear the motor moving back, which you just heard, and the yellow park brake with the exclamation point is up. So as you can see it there, exclamation point is up. Now you are in maintenance mode, so now you can go to the back and do the rear brakes as you normally will, pushing the piston back. And once we're done removing the brakes and putting the new ones on, I'll show you how to exit the maintenance mode. Notice that everything is still plugged on like normal, and we are not, even though it looks like we are twisting the piston back, we're actually not. It's actually just getting pushed back like a normal brake change. Now we are back inside the car, the rear brake pads have been changed. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pump the brake pedal. Make sure it gets hard. Now we are going to exit the maintenance mode. As you can see there, right there, it says that we are in maintenance mode. It's very simple to exit maintenance mode also. So ending to maintenance mode. So it's very simple, switch the ignition on, which we already have the ignition on because all the lights are on. We press the accelerator pedal down fully and pull up on the EPB switch at the same time, and press the start button 3 times again. So now instead of holding the start button down, we pull it up with the accelerator pedal. Okay, so now foot on the accelerator all the way down, hold on the EPB switch and press 1, 2, 3 on the start button, and now you can hear the motor one. And now the light is no longer in the dash there. This means we have exited the maintenance menu. So thanks for watching and hope this video helps. Now you can go back to put your foot on the brake, make sure the button works, so down, up, so it's all in working order. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more future content.